Hey guys, if your LG portable AC is running but the room still feels warm, you're in the right place. When an LG portable AC isn't cooling properly, the problem is usually caused by restricted airflow, an incorrectly installed exhaust hose, a clogged air filter, or settings that prevent the compressor from cooling efficiently. A poorly sealed window kit or a full condensate tank can also reduce performance on some models. The greater thing is that most of these issues can be resolved without calling for service. These are the steps you can try to fix this and restore your LG portable AC's cooling performance. So, let's get started. 1. Set the AC to cool mode. Lower the temperature to 16 to 18 degrees Celsius and select high fan. 2. Clean the air filter and make sure the front and rear air vents are completely unobstructed. 3. Check that the exhaust hose is securely attached, as short and straight as possible, and free from kinks. 4. Seal any gaps around the window kit and keep doors and windows closed while the AC is operating. 5. Empty the drain pan if required, then unplug the unit for 5 minutes, restart it, and test the cooling.